I kind of figured that was kind of slow. Or low. Ouch. Now that I think about it, I haven't dropped it in a while. Which me saying it's probably gonna be like, oh, you just did, and just drop it. But it is what it is. Keep looking up like that's gonna make any difference. Yeah, I saw someone who's passing by with their dog. They haven't passed me yet. Or past where I'm. What was that move? I don't even know what I did. Yeah, going. I'm seeing a lot of people going backwards, which is kind of weird because they do that little loop-de-loop thing in the air. It's pretty much doing, I think it's called an orbit, which sort of like this, but then you do it pointing upwards and around. I can't do it because A, I haven't tried it, and B, I think you need to change the angle of your camera so it's more pointing out so you can see. And I've seen people do it mostly on tubes or cylinders or like chimneys or stuff like long tubes. So not the scenario that I have, so